Kulumkata kukte buhuk chong nor no jotono no lamsogo haina hai ti shake anong ni bagai katal job notification ita kote buhuk chong Government of Tripura Rural Development Department ni bukhakti nokoka katal job notification ko job notification nokoma jago tam tong sab apply khlaiman apply khlaina thang tin tam nang video seng kahamke saimalane ita kote buhuk chong norok to oro nuguni tongana je oro job notification ni bagai advertisement nokojak Government of Tripura Rural Development Department ni bakukti nokoka katal job notification or date ke Agartala the 23rd August 2024 ni takute bukchong 23 tarik ojagwa 23 tarik August 2024 boro job notification karikha lower division clerk ni takute bukchong Rural Development Department ni lower division clerk ni bagai boro ojagwa job notification karika karo ojagwa jeng tolawa thanginile koita vacancy rok tong iko jaga tong schedule ngake name of the post ngake post ni bungke tonrok saini manghna lower division clerk LDC grade number of post ngake 455 jona ni bagai ojagwa job notification karijaka ngke classification ngake group C non graduate ni bagai pay scale ngake nara ojagwa revised scale pay ngake 5,700 simi 24,000 jora nora ojawa salary mani mano grade pay 2,200 টাকা জরাতে ngake cell 1 of level 7 of Tripura state pay matrix 2018 ni raja 3 nora ojawa nora judino job mangke salary rok mani mano ngake method of recruitment tam ngake 20% by promotion and 80% by direct recruitment no ojagawa borok type of borok ojagawa job talangnai direct recruitment ngake the requirements will be through competitive examination night written and interview type following by type test on computer eta kote bokong computer norok typing test rinai nro ojobno mani 80% 85% ngake typing skill norok mark manai ngake 15% mane 15 ngake baiba haikaba interview norok ajago mark tongo age limit nikok sana thangke tom ojagwa 18 বছর নিচিমি 40 বছর জরাতে নরা ojagwa ojobno apply khlaimanom ke ST SC PW DS physical handicap ngake boro 5 বছর জরাতে as relaxation bo government hoite rejagnai ngake education qualification kok sana thangto madhyamik pass ngano nora ojobno apply khlaiman ita khode bukhsang madhyamik pass ngano nora ojobne bagai apply khlaimanom ngake for selections of Bengali typist bo nora ojagwa ma khlane Bengali tai English ngake speed minimum 30 ta word per minute nangnai ngke Bengali ngke 25 ta word per minute nora type khalarnya nangnai ngke tolawa tai tam tong sung tabung naini lenyai describe qualification ngke knowledge of Bengali or kok borok ita khote buksong kok borok tai Bengali kok borok bo ojagwa manani nangnai hinene borok ojagwa saklaikha ngake nora ojobno apply khlainya musukangke permanent resident certificate je PRTC mane abo bonongara tona nanai permanent resident certificate haikeba PRTC sara onnorok ojobno apply khlaimanglak norok judi no tebo kahamke saimana musukangke description link rijak tongo or link ko thangai official notification or je angnong no phunuk tongmani abo rijak tongo link abono thangai norok download khlainai kahamke buji akai apply khlaikangke belekina janai ngai tabuk sung nani lenai syllabus rok tamtamo fainai haikaba samtamo tong written examination and interview will be held as follow subject ngake paper 1 English syllabus ngatamo knowledge of English haikaba Bengali OMR sheet no norok ojagwa porikha man full mark ngake 40 ngake time ngake 2 ঘন্টা nora ojago time manai job oriented questions OMR sheet OMR base mane MCQ phainita abobo 30 ni phainai total ngake 70 ni nora ojago marnai ngake paper 2 ngake general knowledge haikeba current affair tonga matter of common experience and current affair and problems with special reference to India and world helping the development of curiosity and interest among the youth. Elementary knowledge of India history, Indian geography and constitutions of India. Omborogbo 100 ni phainai hingga ke o jago hai 2 ঘন্টা norok সময় manai. Interview hingga ke norok personal qualities of the candidates etc. Intellectual ability, interest in current affairs etc. Omborogbo 30% ni o jago mark norok manai. Hingga ke interview nahajangnai 5 candidates 1:5 khlainai je unko bangmani koijona candidate nainai 1:5 kai norok o jago interview o mahamnai. Hingga tinir bagai asano sidang takotoi buhukjong norok no jotono no hambai.